everybody, it's Little Beef, and today I'll be playing a game called Demolition Derby Crash Racing. Ooh, no, just do start. 3-starred, start. If you hear any noises in the background, that's just like brothers and stuff like that, people like that. Start. And I'm gonna buy nitro. There. That's all we really need is nitro. Okay, ready? Back up. No. No. Back front. No. Side smash. I got 6. Drive into him. Wreck him, boys. Get him. Ready? Die! Whee! Okay. Ready? Nitro! Oh, crap! No! Oh, yay. I almost used all my nitro there. Go! No, I don't. Fine. Ooh, that dude just got literally destroyed. Ooh, tires. And go this way. Where is he? Oh, right there. Ah! Ha! 3-star. No. What? Alright, guys. Sorry, that was just an ad. Next. Start. There. Nitro. Alright. Last time I used my nitro. Ooh! Race. I will destroy all you guys. And I will win. No. How many laps do I have to do? 3. Okay. Up. If you can see up on the top right corner. Whee! This way. No. Oh, come on. No, I'm spinning too fast. Or going too fast. Nitro! I didn't know this was gonna be. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh. Who's dang? Go. Yes! I will win. No, that dude's already done. I will get second. If I could just wreck one of these dudes real quick. No, crap. Crap, I lost. Okay, next. That wasn't really. Restart. Alright, ready now! Go! Oh no, I don't have nitro anymore. Crap. No, why are you so fast? That pink dude right there. I will win. I will find you, and I will kill you. Turn! Crap. Run! Oh, no! Yes! Got up before anybody could say cheese. Okay, maybe not, but... This dude's still in the lead. Now he's way ahead of me because of this part! No! Okay, now I know how to take it slower. Super slow. No fast. Not a faster. And slow down. Whee! Yes, got it. Next time I will win for sure. Hopefully. Nope, this way. Yes! And nope. Okay, well, restart that. And go! How is it that pink dude's always in the lead? Just go around everything, just go under them, slow down. Oh my gosh, no! My goodness. Okay, I'm gonna drive backwards. Okay, maybe not. Whee! I want it to be Demolition Derby, not a race. Okay, whatever though. And I've learned not to take super hard. Oh, crap. Whee! Nope, go. Ah, crap. Nope, back up. Beep. Alright, I changed the settings. That's why I paused it. Sorry. Ooh, what's this? Oh, what? Go. Wait. Oh, okay. No, this way. No. What am I doing? No. Oh, dang. I gotta retry that. Retire. Restart. Go. No, stop going this way. Oh my gosh. Alright, this should be a lot better. Go. I changed it to my moving of the screen. No! No! Ah! Crap. It's so sensitive. Oh, I think I can turn that down. I'm gonna turn that down to like 2 after this. Right. And don't. Ah! Beep. This way. Turn. No, now turn again. Okay, we're good. No, we're not. No, we're good. Okay, well that sucked for a lap time. No, back. No. Okay, I'm definitely. Oh, I've got lapped. No. I just got. This is their last lap. Back up. Go forward. And keep going. Oh, crap. Alright, guys, sorry. What popped it up and then there was an ad. Oh, crap, I forgot to. Wait, how's it? Control sensitivity down to 3 or 2? 2. And resume. Oh, much better. And keep going. I'm gonna put it down to 1. I wonder how bad that is. Oh no! Oh, this is bad. Yeah. Go. And go! Nah. That's it. Now that dude's like in the lead again. Turn this way. Turn. Ah! Back up. Beep. Okay, forward. Okay, this car sucks here. Let me turn it down all the way to 1. I got lapped again. Okay, ready and resume. Nope, back this way. Oh, sorry guys, that was the notification. Obviously. Oh, much better. I don't like turn like that as much. I wonder how bad going it up to all the way 10. Turn. I got lapped. That kind of sucks. And yep. Okay, restart. Wait, I'm gonna turn it up all the way to 10. And it's gonna suck. Whatever. Oh wait, this is actually a lot better. Ha! Oh! Get in front. Go. Knockout. KO punch. Oh no. Just keep running. Just keep driving. 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 Go. Forward. No. Oh, that truck's in the lead. He's all the way in the left. Just keep driving. Just keep driving. Just keep driving. Just keep driving. Ah, crap. Just keep driving. Ah. Just keep driving. Just keep driving. Just keep driving. Just keep driving. Ooh. Which star's better than no star? We'll just go with that. Ooh, can I buy 10,000? Ooh. This one's way better. Except for the house is way low. I need I still need 7,000 more. Ah, crap. Fun. No, I hate derby races. I mean, I like them, but just keep driving. Oh, no, I was gonna go that way. No, my nemesis. Ah, crap. Go. Ah, jeez. Just keep crashing. I don't care as long as I stay in the lead. Ah, crap. Back up, forward, and we're good. I wonder what happens if I go this way. Shh. Let's say I'm cheating. Probably not, but whatever. Ooh. Wee. Ha! Suckers! Oh, what? Oops. It didn't even... Ooh. Let me go again. Let's see if... Back up. Beep. And see ya, suckers! Ha! I go in circles. And I win. I think. Right? That's how it goes. Because don't I just have to... That's the finish line? Ah, no. Back up. And back up. I win. What? Oh, that didn't give me anything. Crap. Respawn. Ooh. What? Once you like complete it, is it like, ah, crap, go, turn. This way, go this way. I don't care, I just want to do some stunts. Yeah. No, I don't want to respawn. Yeah. And I'm gonna get destroyed, but whatever. Back up. Go this way, Oh my gosh! I just got destroyed! No, restart. Just keep going. Go. Oh, so... Oh... Ha! Ah, crap! Ooh! Oh, that was very convenient. Not. Back up. Just drive it backwards, dude. Who cares? Okay, now go forward. They're caught up in the moment. Back. Go. No. There we go. Blue is literally out of the way. Ah, no! Okay, he might catch up to me. And jack crap. Ah, suck at this. Just keep going. And oh, almost a minute. New record. Whee! What if I just go like here and then turn around and then go? Ow! Oh, that hurt. Just keep going. Just keep going. Ah, crap. This is like... Ow. Beep. Forward. March. Whee. Oh, it doesn't count? Still? Seriously? Oh, whatever. Go. Back up. Beep. Wait. It's a trap. Hello? Is it me or no? Go forward. Keep going forward. Ha! That was funny. Okay, I don't care. Alright, guys, we're gonna restart this. Actually, maybe not. Maybe, whatever. Go! Go! Wait, can I change camera? Camera views. Ah, somebody suck here. Yeah. Ow! Oh, this one. Oh, this one. Whee! Oh, I guess eating. Oh, crap. Oh, I'm turned. Okay, we're good. Go, 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 go. I believe that I will catch up. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, me, oh, my. Forward. No. Oh, me, oh, my. Oh, my gosh. Did I go forward? Crap. No! Oh, my gosh. Ah! You little... Oh, thank you. I'm friends with this blue dude. Yeah. You shall not pass. Shall not pass. Crap. Oops. You will not pass. You shall not pass. Yeah. Crap. You shall not pass. Oh. Crap. Alright, guys, I'm going to end the episode here. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll be doing a few more episodes this morning. Anyway, hope you have a good morning, and see you. Bye.